telling us to boycott Safaricom is telling us to shoot ourselves in the foot, because we are on Safaricom because we need to communicate, and a lot of people communicate so that they can make ends meet and so that they can, facilitate their businesses. So I've listened to all those proposals. They're good. Asking people to carpool is a very noble thing. It's not just Kenya. That's what we would desire to do. Unfortunately, I just don't know how practical it is. But we listen to him. But what I have taken from that whole thing is that Raila is taking his people for a ride. He wants them to escort him to another handshake. Unfortunately, I don't think we have, we may have one side of the handshake. I don't think we have the other side. I don't think there is readiness from the government side to have any handshake with him. And he seems to be running out of options. If you realize, he did not call for Maandamano because he knows it's not going to work. He has, to the contrary, put the ball in the eyes of the hustlers who he's leading. And he tells them what to do as he continues to walk away. I mean, it is paradoxical for Raila Odinga to tell people not to give way on the roads and continue to get into a convoy that is led by the police with sirens, to remove the same people that he means he's confusing, he's just talked to ask them to get off the road. He asked other people to carpool. He gets into a convoy of over 62 cars, and he's telling other people to not to walk, to work. Well, we understand he's old and may be unable to walk, but he should live by example and at least have some semblance of what is proposing. So I think